Elon Musk company rolling out the futuristic electric pickup.
The cybertruck is coming in the US.
Arguably the most anticipated and controversial pickup truck today.
Tesla says they're going to roll out 250,000 of these trucks.
A Tesla cybertruck was spotted on the road in Northern California.
The heavily anticipated cybertruck.
Cybertruck receives jaw-dropping makeover. Fresh color wraps take on Ford's eruption green. Who wins? Cybertruck busted the myths after the new tests which showed that it is crushing the estimates. The tale of Cybertruck is continuously developing, and the 3-motor version's range has significantly improved thanks to ongoing software updates. The 318-mile mark is merely a provisional beginning point. In particular, the Cybertruck Foundation series with specially designed all-terrain tires has outperformed expectations, making Tesla's 340-mile claimed range seem too conservative. Why does Tesla highlight the Cybertruck's strength in both its internal and distinctive external capabilities? Why did Cybertruck confirm that its operational range matched the earlier predictions provided by Tesla? Find out answers to these arising questions in today's video, but before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, do subscribe to it and also hit the bell icon so you will never miss any updates in the future. Let's dive into the video. According to recent testing, the range of the Tesla Cybertruck is between 164 and 206 miles, which is about 50 to 60% less than what Tesla had originally predicted. In contrast to Tesla's estimations, the first range test performed out of speech revealed a decrease of almost 20%. The most recent test findings, however, paint an entirely different image. Using all-terrain tires, Edmunds' test vehicle, a Tesla Cybertruck Foundation series, traveled 334 miles, more than the 318 miles that Tesla had predicted for that particular model. Upgrading the battery range can be required if the Cybertruck's real range is significantly less than predicted, even though the battery consumption rate has been increased to over 25%. The most recent test presents another viewpoint. Until the battery was almost completely exhausted, the test required driving in both city and highway settings at a ratio of roughly 60% city and 40% highway. The objective was to drive 10 meters farther for safety. Edmunds' tested range was computed as the total miles driven in the remaining range. The tested Cybertruck went beyond its predicted range even with different tire combinations and versions. Aerodynamic wheel covers may also have contributed to the Cybertruck's possible range increase. Edmunds even showed interest in testing a Cybertruck equipped with aerodynamic elements that would allow it to travel 340 miles on all-season tires. Finally, it should be noted that while the majority of other Tesla models frequently fall short of their estimated ranges, the tested Cybertruck exceeded its range. Occasionally, a variety of contributing circumstances like driving behaviors, dramatic weather, and road surfaces have an impact on battery performance. The range can be reduced by up to 20% when driving aggressively, by 5% when traveling uphill, and by simply utilizing the air conditioning and fan, which also require energy. With the air conditioning set at 22 degrees Celsius, the range is reduced by roughly 10% and by an extra 5% when the fan is running at maximum speed. Transporting more passengers and cargo also increases energy consumption, which can result in a reduction in range of up to 2% with 100 kilograms of cargo and 10% with adult passengers. The range is also affected by environmental temperature with a 5% reduction for every degrees Celsius above 35 degrees Celsius and a 10% reduction for every degree below 10 degrees Celsius. After 100,000 kilometers, battery capacity steadily drops by 10% over time. The battery life can be increased by 20% with regular maintenance. The Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT off-road tires on the Cybertruck use more energy than energy-efficient tires, which reduces range by 5%. On the other hand, using tires that are properly inflated can raise the angle by an extra 3%. Edmunds' test revealed the Cybertruck's remarkable long-distance capability. With its incredible range, the Cybertruck solidifies Tesla's position as the industry leader in electric vehicles and makes it a great option for lengthy trips. Future iterations might be improved to reach even wider operational ranges to satisfy customers' growing demands. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below on how you evaluate the Cybertruck's operational range using Edmunds' test. How does the Tesla Cybertruck test the limits of electric pickup trucks and way through deep water? the Cybertrucks appear to have just gone through several difficult tests with great hopes of passing them. For Tesla's pickup, the manager of TechRack's YouTube channel, which is well known for putting tech gadgets through extreme testing, carried out a daring experiment in deep water. It tested its durability in a waterlogged environment and moved beyond its boundaries by using the water forcing mode. Let's examine the unique characteristics that allow the Cybertruck to accomplish these amazing feats in the movie. While the truck is in water forwarding mode, the settings allow it to raise its ground clearance and provide pressure for the batteries while it drives over water. This mode has 3 settings: low, medium, high, and extremely high. Once it is turned on, it can only be used for 30 minutes at a time. The TechRacks initially traveled on a road that was flooded and had shallow puddles that were only 30 centimeters deep. The driver was surprised to see that the Cybertruck could easily navigate through the puddles by raising the undercarriage by an additional 40 meters by adjusting the ground clearance. The Cybertruck travels over deeper sections that resemble streams and effortlessly maneuvers through puddles of deep water without running into any problems at the same time. To shield the battery from the impact of water, the pressure was raised to 2 bars. Elevating the pressure guarantees the safety of the battery and prolongs its life. It should be mentioned that the car can only go up to 30 kilometers per hour. When traveling in an area with water, the speed limit protects the driver's safety. Certain systems, including the ventilation system, will be limited to reduce the possibility of water intrusion and damage. The Cybertruck keeps up its good performance until it reaches its destination, where its maximum water level appears to be higher than the advised limit despite the growing water level. Which latest upgrades are included in Cybertruck? 3 additional color apps for the Cybertruck Slip Gray, Satan Rose Gold, and Satan Abyss Blue have been revealed by Tesla. These alternatives go well with the electric pickup truck's current vinyl wrap options, which also include Satan Ceramic and Satan Stealth Black. The popular Model 3 color options are White Slip Gray and Satan Rose Gold, while the new model's Satan Abyss Blue is only available for the Cybertruck. All Cybertruck wraps are priced at $6,500 except the Rose Gold and Abyss Blue colors, which have an extra $500 cost. Despite the somewhat exorbitant price, it is crucial to understand that these are not your typical vinyl wraps. For these wraps, Tesla uses a paint film with a urethane base instead of more traditional materials. This material is thought to be more ecologically friendly and is almost twice as thick as vinyl. The material's capacity for self-healing causes scratches to vanish when heated, in keeping with Tesla's dedication to sustainability. It is interesting how this strategy goes against the original intent of having a stiff exoskeleton made of stainless steel. Tesla used cutting-edge nanotechnology to produce the Cybertruck's new covers. In comparison to standard vinyl decals, the nano coating improves scratch resistance, oxidation resistance, and color fitting by up to 50%. This is especially important in light of the Cybertruck's history of oxidation, with several Californian owners sharing pictures of rust stains on their vehicles just days after delivery. It is difficult to keep the stainless steel B's original finish intact, and these coverings appear to provide superior protection against obvious flaws. To hide rust marks and give their Cybertruck a new look, a customer chose the Satan Abyss Blue wrap. Regarding color selections, the Cybertruck's main rival, the Ford F-150 Lightning, offers an eye-catching exterior color choice known as Eruption Green. Customers have given this color a lot of attention, making it clear that they like it. As a result, Tesla quickly releases a variety of color choices that improve the distinctiveness of their cars and boost their competitiveness. Tesla is improving Cybertruck manufacturing promptly to satisfy customer expectations. That's all we have for the Cybertruck today. Let us know in the comments below which new color wrap you find most appealing, and if the Cybertruck's range and deep weighting capabilities make it a contender for your next electric vehicle. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and exciting Tesla content. Also, if you find it interesting to know more about recent technologies, be assured to check out this other video we have lined up for you.